Introducing aPriori.
This is an exciting conversation today because I'm here with Barton Phinney. Barton is our product manager for AP Workspace, and he's going to kind of give us the inside scoop. What problem is AP Workspace really trying to solve?
Yeah, so AP Workspace is really trying to solve the problem of that you've got so many stakeholders that are involved in the new product development process today, but they don't have the tools and the information that they need in order to contribute to that process effectively. And so that's what we're working on with AP Workspace, is trying to connect all those stakeholders together so that they can all contribute the ways that they need to in that process. You typically get a lot of people working on different information in different places, right? You're using Teams, you're using SharePoint, you're using many different ways to store different pieces of information, and that information becomes disconnected and outdated very quickly. And so by keeping that information in the same place and all the conversations in the same place, you get that traceability that's really needed to understand what decisions were made during the process and how they were made. And then you can look back on that for future projects.
So we know that companies have a lot of different communications tools that they can use. They can be using Slack, they can be using Teams. How is AP Workspace different? Is it just another communication platform, or is it offering something different?
The difference between AP Workspace and something like Teams is that it keeps all of the conversations together on the subject matter that you're collaborating about. So think about it like PowerPoint in 365, right? We don't use Teams to collaborate around PowerPoint. We use 365. We share it out with people who need to be involved. We comment on specific features and slides that need feedback. And so all of that information, all those stakeholders can get involved and collaborate around the PowerPoint itself. And that's what we're trying to bring to our customers, is having everybody involved on the scenario data and being able to contribute to making decisions on that data as needed.
How do you see customers using AP Workspace today, and where do you think they could take it in the future?
Yeah, so today I see customers working on their internal projects with aPriori, collaborating with procurement, cost engineering, design engineering, manufacturing engineering. But in the future, we want to expand the technology so that you can get systems involved and involve different triggers to help facilitate workflows in those projects, but also involve people outside of the core people who are working on NPI. So people like marketing, sales, services, or whatnot. And then even expanding it further so that people like your suppliers can get involved. People who are outside your organization can also contribute to that process.
So what I'm hearing from you is that more people want to be able to collaborate on the process, but with less time and overhead for them to be able to do it.
Exactly.
Barton, thank you so much for coming on and explaining a little bit more.
No problem.
aPriori, making profitability and sustainability a reality for a better world.